Hello, my name is Daryl Mayon and I am the Program Director of the Process Technology Center at Lone Star College. And I want to speak with you about the two degrees that we offer, the two degree programs. They are an AAS degree, that's an Associate of Applied Science in Process Technology, and an AAS degree in Instrumentation Technology. The process technician is a person who's a member of the operations team. He or she is responsible for taking the day-to-day readings from the unit and controlling the unit, operating the unit. They take data like temperature, pressure, flow readings, composition readings. They're responsible for starting up the unit, for shutting the unit down, and for making sure that the unit runs smoothly on a day-to-day basis. The instrumentation technician is responsible for those instruments. He or she is a member of the maintenance team and is responsible for pulling those instruments from the unit in a safe manner, repairing those instruments, and returning those instruments to the unit. And it's instruments like control valves, flow meters, pressure indicators, temperature indicators, a wide variety of data that comes from the process. Both degrees require 60 credit hours to accomplish, and we have that the degree programs well spelled out online, and you can look at those. We also offer a certificate in those programs that require fewer credit hours. Most employers are now requesting, though, the AAS degree, but some employers do accept the certificate level degree. The industry that we serve, the process industry that we serve, includes pharmaceuticals, pulp and paper, oil and gas, refining, petrochemicals, water treatment, as well as a few others. Employers are looking for individuals who are good team players, who are problem solvers, who have strong work ethics, and who are willing to go the extra mile to get the job done, to work well with others. If you are interested in becoming a process technician or an instrumentation technician, you can reach me. Again, my name is Daryl Mayon. I'm the program director, and I can be reached at 346-773-3825. Thank you.
Be sure to follow us on social media at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Like this video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button to be notified about our latest content.